Alright, what's up guys? It's level 100 Gengar here. We got this Porygon ZGX box set that I got that I'm going to open today, and we'll see how this goes. I can't wait. What the? Hey, can you please keep it down? I'm trying to do a video here. Alright guys, like I was saying, we got this Porygon ZGX box. I'm super excited. We got some Unified Minds packs in here. We even got an Evolutions pack. I'm not too excited about that one. My luck hasn't been good with Evolutions. Again? Hey, yeah, I'm trying to film a video for my channel. Can you keep it down, bro? Alright guys, okay, let's hope no more of that crap. We're trying to get this pack. We're trying to open these packs, man. I'm excited. Are you freaking kidding me? Yo, dude, I'm being fucking honest here. Shut the up. Alright, let's tear into this box here and let's see what we get. Hopefully some good stuff. It doesn't necessarily mean that's what we're getting. Alright, that was pretty easy. I always hate taking out these EX cards, the way they put them into the thingy, the plastic. I always am afraid I'm gonna bend them or break them or something. Alright, so first big things first. We obviously got Porygon ZGX. Pretty cool background on them. Pretty cool card. And then we got obviously these giant cards. I'd never know what to do with these things. I normally just put them wherever. I really thought a cool idea would be to tape them to my wall with all the ones I got and start collecting these. Obviously I'm going to try to open as many for this channel. Maybe build a wall of just these giant Pokemon cards. Alright guys, here we go. We got our packs. So, we got our Evolutions. We got our Unified Minds, we got our other Unified Minds, and we got Sun and Moon Lost Thunder. I am going to start with probably Unified Minds, one of them. Alright, let's see what we can get out of here. Okay. Is it 4? Yeah, it's 4. So we got our crappy energy. We got weakness guard energy. We got stadium nav. We got this bad boy with the corkscrew punch. Cryogenical. We got Litwick. We got Drillbur. Drillbur. Imagine putting Bill Burr's face on here. Well, that'd make more sense. Drillbur. We got Slack Off. We got Fungus. Victini. Oh. And we got Screw.
Bruh.
We got Lucario. Is he fighting? Is he fighting in here? Alright, we didn't really get anything out of that pack. That's never a good start. That's okay, we got 3 more. I'm gonna go with the Lost Thunder. I'm gonna save Evolutions for last, just for the rare chance that there is a Charizard in there. Alright, we're tearing these open. So, we're going 4. We got the Psychic Energy. We got the Birdie. Got Bailey, Zende. We got Pineco. We got Combi. What a happy little tiger. We got Cutie Fly. We got Hop Bomb. We got Cyndaquil. And think we got screwed again.
Oh, fuck!
Yep. I'm not too happy so far. Not too happy. There better be something good in here. This is not a good opening. Okay. We're going to go with the Unified Mind. Let's hope something good in there. Or let's hope they screw us. Let's hope we get 3 packs of just pure crap. Just pure crap. And then that Evolutions. Maybe. Maybe we'll get the Charizard. But I highly doubt it. Okay. So we'll do the 4 to the front. We got Leaf Energy. We got another mouse. That's not good. These are we're getting a lot of the same cards from that other Unified Minds pack, so I am not happy.
Bruh.
Come on. We got Wimpod. We got Noibat. Mongus. And hey, we got the evolution to Bill Burr. Wow, this ain't good, boys and girls. This ain't good. This is not good. Also, another thing. What will we call the fans of this channel? That's what I need to find out. What are we gonna call these fans of the channel? I've been thinking about that today. See, level 100 Gengar. I could call you Gang Gang. I can call you the Gengar Gang. The 100 Gang. I don't know. If you have any ideas on what to call the fans of this channel, comment that down below. And hopefully we can get that situated. And we'll see about next video what we come to the agreement of. I don't remember how these packs are. We will do 3. Okay, we got the Metapod. We got the Switch Trainer. We got the Coughing. Look at his derpy face. He's happy. He's gassing people. He's Hitler's right hand man, and he's just gassing people up, and he's happy. He's just happy about it. Man, screw him. Alright, we got Ponyta. We got the Fast Bird. We got old chubby Pikachu looking all chubby and stuff. We got an attack of Gnaw. Imagine being gnawed on by a Pikachu. We got Staryu. I screwed this up, I think. That's okay. We got Onyx. Okay. We got the Nidoking. Maybe I didn't. Yeah, because this is the rare. Okay, I did it the right way. And Beedrill. We literally got, like, nothing. We literally got nothing, guys. I will say my favorite card out of this is probably the Nidoking. Other than that, though, I mean, we didn't get anything. I feel like I got screwed. Bruh. I feel like I just wasted my money. Well, dang. Alright, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment the name that you think I should call my fans down below, what you guys want to call yourselves. Until next video, guys. Thank you.